In this video, I will show you how to export and import products in bulk on Shopify. First, go to your Shopify admin dashboard and click on Products. Now let's start with exporting products. On the Products page, click on Export in the top right corner. Here you will see different options. You can export current page, all products, selected products, or products from a specific view. Choose the option you need depending on what you want to export. Next, select the export format. I recommend choosing CSV for Excel because it's the easiest to manage. You can also use a plain CSV file if needed. After that, click on Export Products. Shopify will either download the file directly or send it to your email. Now let's move to importing products. Go to the Shopify store where you want to import products. Again, open Products, then click on Import. Now drag and drop your CSV file into the Upload area. You will also see an option to overwrite products with matching handles if needed. After uploading, click Upload and Preview. Check your products and then click Import Products. That's how you can export and import products in bulk on Shopify. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.